Hi! In front of me is REALME Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this tablet. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, select security, so misclick, then tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. When you're ready, select continue over here, and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you need to select the done over here, and when I click home button, turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!